I'm Heath Trabu, and this is your West Point Sports Flash. Sunday afternoon, the Army Black Knights took on the Syracuse Orange in the final game of the Black Knight Classic from Clinton Field. After over 89 minutes of scoreless play, the Black Knights finally broke the tie. It was Ruthie Rosenberger with a pass to Kim Ahn, who scored her fourth goal of the season with just 45 seconds left in the game.
Brooke just played a really good switch wide to Ruthie, and Ruthie just dribbled it in, played an awesome cross. It's like what we practice all the time, and it was just right there, right on my feet, and I just had the composure and finished it. So it was just a great group effort, and it was really awesome because that's exactly what we practice.
The Black Knights moved to 4-4 overall on the season after finishing second in the Black Knight Classic. After the game, here's Coach Fred Thompson.
It's nice to keep the ball out of the net. We came in, we actually wanted to play a little bit better than we did on Friday, and I don't think we actually accomplished that. But, we got out there, we got the result. The girls played ridiculously hard, fought. Things could have bounced either way. Glad they bounced our way. And I think it was a very good result for us.
3 Black Knights were named to the all-tournament team: Kim Ahn, Linda Rosas, and Molly McGuigan. Again, the Black Knights defeat the Orange by a final score of 1-0. For Night Vision, I'm Heath Trabu.